CIMNE is a research organization created in 1987 as a consortium between the Technical University of Catalonia and the Government of Catalonia, with the objective of developing, disseminating, and transferring to society innovative computational methods for the solutions of problems in engineering and applied science. So CIMNE has a clear vocation for the transfer of the knowledge that we generate to the industrial sector. This has been effectively implemented via the creation of companies that have the mission of exploiting and taking to the market the prototypes and products that we develop. Over the years, we have organized CIMNE in different groups, what we call research departments. Nowadays, there are about 250 researchers in 12 departments that cover most of the fields in engineering and applied science, like biomedical engineering, classical engineering fields like civil, mechanical, aerospace, naval engineering, and also more, I would say, original or innovative fields like nature, covering anything to do with water, production of water, management of water resources, or energy, building energy and environment, which is another active department.
The Building Energy and Environment Group is a research group belonging to CIMNE, and our main activities are focused in the building energy efficiency sector. We develop software tools and methodologies to allow the people to reduce their energy consumption. We are trying to make the energy efficiency more appealing, more sexy, and more attractive to the people who is managing the buildings and to the people who is living in their houses or even when they are working at the offices. Our main research lines can be divided in 4 groups. The first group is centered in the electricity production in buildings. More specifically, we are working in the integration of photovoltaics in buildings, following the concept of nearly zero energy buildings and the combination with existing HVAC systems and storage systems. The second line is centered in the production of biogas and in a small scale rural areas of Bolivia. The third line is more centered in the energy management of buildings. We develop methodologies and software tools for the improvement of the energy performance of buildings, including user performance and control systems. And the last line is more centered in the empowerment of users and a massive implementation of changes in the user behavior in our cities. Our funding is coming basically from European fundings and from national projects, and at this moment we are working in 8 European funded projects.
Energy is a company focused on energy services, and we are working for public and private sector, basically in Spain, and working also now in Latin America. Energy offers solutions to their clients with a combination of technology, with a software of energy information system, and also with the expertise offering consultancy services. Energy is owned by CIMNE and the audit firm RSM Gassó. CIMNE, throughout the BeeGroup, is developing knowledge, and the role of energy is transform this knowledge in market value to our clients. In the framework of the smart spaces, we are testing a low-cost energy management services for the buildings of the local authorities. The idea is to improve the technology, the assessment services, and the communication tools to permit, after the project, to extend these energy management services to local authorities of Spain and the rest of Europe.
The work that has been presented in these projects is centered in translating the theoretical knowledge of our institutions to the real life of people. As you can see, we are working in the practical things to allow the people to get more control of the energy consumption with the aim to promote local energy production, local energy consumption, and to improve the energy management of our cities and our countries.